How is it going, you guys? All right, so we are doing the very first episode in a series of remodel videos. Basically, me and my wife decided to go ahead and remodel our kitchen. Kind of kicking myself because the tile we already did, and then I've already done the recessed lighting, which would have made a great video. You can still kind of see where the original, just getting what you call those cheap fluorescents were. Went ahead, did LED puffed recessed lighting throughout, and then added a auto dimmer. I think it's made by Lithron. And basically, after a certain amount of time, it's just going to go ahead and go down. But we can also dim on the fly. Just super nice. Tons of in-between options. Now, these videos are probably going to leak kind of few and far between. We're waiting on the granite to come in. It's already been picked out. Once the granite goes in, we're going to be adding tile backsplashes ourselves. I'm not doing the granite install. We're doing the backsplash. We're going to do a stainless steel floating vent fan above the stove. We've already done the stove. We've already done the dishwasher. We're doing stainless steel undermount sink. Probably stick with the exact same faucet we have here. But basically, I'll just kind of walk you through different episodes, kind of documenting what we're doing and how we're doing it. Stay tuned for some more, you guys. Make sure to like and follow.